The founder and chairman governing council of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gorzo, has paid a courtesy visit to the ITF Model Skill Training Center, MSTC, in Abuja on the 12th of May 2023. Professor Gorzo was received during the visit by Hajia Halima Abdullahi Rabo, the training manager, rector of the ITF Model Skills Training Center, on behalf of the Director General, Chief Executive of the ITF, Sir Joseph N. Ari. In his remarks, Professor Gorzo said the purpose of the visit was to seek for a collaboration between the ITF and Maryam Abacha American Universities of Nigeria and Niger in the areas of information and communication technology (ICT) and other skills for self-development. He noted that the partnership will give students of the two universities the opportunity to acquire skills to make them self-reliant. Professor Gorzo thanked the management of the ITF for the warm reception accorded to him and his entourage during the visit to the center. Earlier, the Director General of the ITF, Sir Joseph N. Ari, expressed the readiness of the fund to collaborate with the two universities in capacity building. Mr. Ari said the collaboration will also focus on the areas of soft skill training, such as presentation skills, problem-solving skills, decision-making skills, and management courses. He said other areas of partnership include equipment installation, exchange of faculty, exchange of academic materials, as well as students' exchange for study and research, among others. According to him, the center is ever ready to domesticate the MSTC model to other institutions of learning in Nigeria, hence the need for the collaboration with the two universities. Similarly, the center will wish for the opportunity of an educational pathway to graduates of National Innovation Diploma (NID) to further their education in a prestigious institute as direct entry students, he said. The DG said the MSTC, which was established in 2009 by adopting a suitable model found in the Institution of Technical Education Service, IT's Singapore, has 6 departments equipped with the state-of-art facilities and equipment. He expressed profound appreciation to Professor Gorzo for finding the time to pay the visit and discuss institutional collaboration in the areas that will be of benefit to both institutions.